In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide or unhide buy and sell arrows on your Tradingview chart. Whether you're an experienced trader or just getting started, customizing your Tradingview chart can make a huge difference in how you analyze and interpret data. Sometimes the buy and sell arrows, also known as execution marks, can clutter your chart, especially when you're focusing on other indicators or patterns. In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through the process to hide these arrows when you want a cleaner view and bring them back whenever you need them. Let's get started. First, right-click on any empty space within your Tradingview chart. This action will open a context menu that gives you access to various chart settings. It's important to avoid clicking directly on any candles, indicators, or other elements on the chart. Doing so might trigger an unintended action, which could disrupt your workflow, so make sure you're selecting an area of the chart that isn't occupied by anything else. Once the context menu appears, look for the option labeled either Settings or Chart Settings. Depending on your version of Tradingview, the wording might vary slightly, but both options will take you to the same place. Selecting this will open up a settings window where you can customize different aspects of your chart's appearance and functionality. Now that the settings window is open, locate the Trading tab. You'll find this tab among the other options like Appearance or Scales. Go ahead and click on the Trading tab to access the specific settings related to your chart's trading features. This is where we'll make the adjustments to the buy and sell arrows. Once you're inside the Trading tab, scroll down or glance toward the lower part of the window to find the option labeled Execution Marks. This is the specific setting that controls whether the buy and sell arrows appear on your chart. If you're not seeing it right away, don't worry, it's usually near the bottom, so keep scrolling until you find it. Now, to hide the buy and sell arrows, simply uncheck the box next to Execution Marks. By doing this, you're removing the visual markers for trade executions from your chart. This can be particularly helpful if you want a cleaner view that emphasizes other elements, like indicators or price action. After unchecking the box, make sure to click either OK or Apply to save your changes. This step is crucial because it ensures that your adjustments are implemented immediately. Without confirming the changes, the arrows will remain visible and you'll need to repeat the process. If at any point you decide to bring back the buy and sell arrows, the process is just as simple. Start by right-clicking on an empty space on your chart to bring up the context menu, then select Settings or Chart Settings just as you did earlier. Navigate back to the Trading tab in the Settings window, and this time check the box next to Execution Marks. This will restore the visual markers for trade executions on your chart. Finally, don't forget to click OK or Apply again to confirm the changes. Once you do, the buy and sell arrows will reappear instantly, giving you the flexibility to toggle them on or off as needed. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can easily customize your Tradingview chart to suit your preferences and trading style. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.